sa Villanueva. I know, dapat pa kami kanina na bugas para malabot ka mo. Pero after tonight, siguro gamay na lang. Kay dahon na ako nakaon. So, how incredible it is to see someone of you, lamubo a few hours ago, tapos gulpi lang, turning into gorgeous. Tapos mga dashing. Ladies and gentlemen, grabe. Good evening guys. Just keep on eating. Ang tulong pati lang ako gamay sa akin. Okay? So, my mother is right there actually. She asked me a question a few weeks ago, I cannot remember accurately, no? And I would like to share it with you as a depressing question and an exciting question. Which one would you like to hear first? The depressing or the exciting part? The depressing para happy ending, okay? So, the depressing part, Anay. So, this was my nanay's question. Graduate ka na, ano sunod? Graduate ka na ba, ano sunod? Okay? Isa pinsar ko, araw-araw pa maniin mo yan, Anay. Ito wala pa ganyan ko kasaka sa stage. Ano na dayon? Pasaka ako, Anay. Pag-graduate na ako, Anay. Tapos ma-decide ako kung ano ko after. Hindi ako, Anay, pag-dali-dali. It's probably the same as most of you. Nakarilis mo, pina-pressure naman sa parents nyo. Kung maano ka mo, kay tapos na kita. Ano na kita sunod? That is the depressing part. And the exciting part is her question that goes this way. Graduate ka na, ano ka? The same lang gapon na mabangkot. Pero, ang question niya kasi na, nag-graduate ka na, ano sunod? My other self said, graduate ako. This means a lot more opportunities. This means I can help na with our finances. I can buy my own things, the things I want. Pwede na ko yung kalagaw using my own money. Diba? Ano na siya ang exciting part about this question of hers, I mean. And it's just really a matter of perspective on what you do after hearing those words. Will you accept it as a depressing or as an exciting question? Diba? And those questions will change our lives for the better or for worse, depending on how you act on it. Alright? So imagine not so long ago, we are not even allowed to hold gatherings like this. Never in my wildest imagination that I would be a survivor of a pandemic. And I pray, of course, for peace to those who have perished, and I also pray that it's the last one that we will have. I would hear some say, "Palimalas sa inyo nga batch, kay sa inyo bigyan na pupa ang COVID, kamu bigyan na ibo." Siyempre, after first year, first sem, stop tayo ng klase. Tapos doon lang, isok lang kita, fourth year lang kita, balik kita sa eskwelahan. Nag-ano lang kita, ano natabo? Nagsabat lang kita pila ka module. Di ba lang? Inuwi mo dahil ng liga, graduate na kita. Isa naman maestro, maestrata, yung fourth year na nagalit mo, ito pag-aasin lang ka. Di ba? And then, puro kita online class. But I didn't believe when they said that we are di malas. Actually, if anything, I say to you, my fellow graduates, hindi kita yung di malas. We are the lucky ones. Mas buhit kita yan. Hari kita sa kundi. Ganaon pa. And who else could say that they hurdled college in the midst of a global catastrophe? Who else could say that they have finished school in a time where simply breathing is an issue? Maginhawa ka lang. Nailang maginhawa kung patay ka niya. And it's true. Diba? So, let this be a constant reminder that if we are able to survive that, we can survive anything. Thus, I move to give ourselves a new award. And if there's one that is called Academic Distinction Award, I shall call this one the Pandemic Distinction Award. And all of us deserve this award. Faculty, staff, students, and tanan natin sa world. And how delightful it is to share this moment of glory and story of life to those who were instrumental in our survival and this journey of ours. Sa akong nag-tutor, sa 9 years old pa lang ako, nag-asta subong gagawin kong diako sa ako. Teacher Michelle Chavez. To Dr. Mary Ruth, who always sees the best in me. Dr. Salita for the tough love. Dr. Miriam Luangas for the faith. Ma'am Miranda for the push. Dr. Lusaban for the reminders. Sir Erwin, Sir Greg, the De La Puertas, Manino Itik, Ma'am Liza, and Ma'am A for the corrections. Sabi ng mga nabuhat ng mga correct, same as Ma'am Lusaban. And other faculty and staff that have known me since I was a child and asked, "Gano ka dinoy? Kung kasakay ka man?" And I never gave them a concrete answer. I never gave them a concrete explanation as to naaari din kami pala. And but nevertheless, they accepted. Ano na ko din, with warmth and welcoming arms. No questions, just that. And school ka natin yan. Bawal questions. And salamat kid. Salamat kid sa pagbakod sa akin. And my goal was just to graduate. Gusto ko lang yung matapos na pag-graduate na kayo makikita lewat ko para siyempre tapos na kayo sa pag-ibisiman ko. Dahil naman. Ano lang nga ako doon. Pero in the end, I've learned a lot more. I found new friends. I found mentors who are very good in what they do. Mga new people around here, which has inspired me. And thank you very much. And to our parents, thank you. We may not say enough, but ang mga generation or ang mga newer generation, wala siling I love you na, I love you tatay. Those are very, pabuntay na kita yung hubuton sa mga batang subong. Pero, in a way, we will try to embody. We will show how appreciative what you have done to us. We will do our best to be a good person. And we will actively show the values and wisdom you have bestowed upon us. The path ahead may be challenging, but we have all the tools we need. And with your guidance, we will not stray. And again, to my fellow graduates, congratulations. Thank you very much to the faculty and staff, my parents, and to the love of my life, I love you so much. Congratulations.